I know, y'all. I know. Where have I been? Nowhere, everywhere, somewhere. That's all I got. Okay? If you want to know, for real, definitely stay tuned.
You've been a fan, ain't no more talking.
What is up, you guys?
Need you to back it up.
If you are new here, I'm Shantae, and welcome to Dash and Dog. Okay? Listen, over here, we talk about life, we talk about business, we talk about beauty, and all the little things. Okay, if that's your type of vibe, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button because whew, I got some stuff to say. Definitely updating you guys in this video. So let's get started. Yikes. So if you watched my last video, right, you know that I announced aesthetics school, and I was big hype. I even um had some footage. I even had some footage from class, and my plan was to, you know, record and upload every week, just to take you guys on the journey with me. This is that moment where we go, yeah, it, it didn't go as planned, right? Okay, so that was a bust. Will I go back to aesthetic school? Maybe. Um, just not now. Okay. So, I'll give a little bit of detail as to why aesthetic school wasn't for me right now. I'll say that. I am very, I don't want to say picky because I'm not really picky, but when I'm paying my money to learn something, I want to learn it. I want to feel comfortable in knowing what I'm doing, especially when it comes to dangerous equipment, or things that can cause people to bleed or break out or whatever the case may be. If I feel like you're not providing that, I'm not going to sit there. I'm not going to sit through it. I'm not going to be like, maybe at some point I'll get it. I don't want to be one of those people, and this is no shade to anyone, but I don't want to be one of those people that go through a course and then I graduate, and then when it's time for me to be in the real world, I'm still confused. I'm still lost. I still don't really know. I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel confident. I don't want to do that. So that was kind of my experience there. Do I think it's a good school? I'm sure it is, but like I said, it wasn't for me, and it wasn't the time for me. Maybe, you know, at some point I'll go back, and I have a different instructor who teaches more on the level that I need, and that's it. Okay. Now, moving on. Since then, I have become certified in body sculpting. If I can figure out how to get the music or the little celebratory thing to go here, I'm gonna put it there so we can together. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. I am actually preparing to do a slight model search, just to offer discounted services to a couple of people, because I have a new location. So I'm gonna take you guys along with painting and decorating the space and just how that's gonna go. I'll insert some clips because I do have some clips of when the first day I signed the lease, what it looked like, and then more recently they came in and did some painting and changed the color, so it's not the initial color it was before. And I and my husband will be doing another paint job for it to be the colors for the brand. So we're gonna definitely take you on that journey. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I am also getting into PMU. If you don't know what PMU is, it's permanent makeup. So I will be getting my permanent makeup license in, I believe, July. And I believe I'll be doing the masters for that as well. So I'll be offering all kinds of crazy services. So I'm super, super, super excited. But I wanted to definitely jump on you guys and just give you an update because I know I kind of just fell off the face of the earth. I'm taking a little bit of a different direction with my channel because usually I'm either showing how to make something, or we do these sit downs where we talk about business or whatever. And if you guys have like business questions, even if I don't do a business video, drop them in the comments. I don't mind answering them. Where I can help, I will. But you guys gotta let me know like what kind of content you need from me. If I can provide that, I'm gonna provide that. If I can't, then I'll direct you somewhere where you can get that information. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. That's what's new with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little 15-second moment of where Shantae been. And I will definitely do my best to upload more often. I do have some ideas of what I want to share with you guys, and I plan to actually take you along with me to school, so you can kind of get a little bit of the behind the scenes of microblading, micro shading, just all the things that come with permanent makeup. So if that's something you are interested in, you definitely want to stay tuned. I hope that the new direction for the channel is everything it needs to be and it helps someone out. If you have questions about body contouring, body sculpting, any of that, definitely drop it below. And until next time, you guys, bye.
You been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up.